Welcome back to our channel. In today's videos, we will explore one of the most important aspects of home exterior, the iron main gate design. A main gate is not only the first impression of your house, but it also serves as your protective barrier, a style statement, and a long-term investment. In this video, we will cover everything you need to know about Iron Man gate design, from their importance, different style, material, finishes, and modern trends, to tips on choosing the perfect gate for your home. So they with us till the end. Why Iron Man gate? The main gate of a house is more than just an entry point. It reflects the personality of the house and the taste of the owner. Iron has always been a popular choice because of its strength, durability, and timeless appeal. Unlike wood, which can warp, or aluminum, which may not offer the same level of strength, Iron Gate stands strong for decades with minimal maintenance. When designed beautifully, an iron main gate adds a luxurious and royal touch to your home exterior. Whether you live in a modern villa or traditional home or a farmhouse, the right iron gate can elevate the overall look. To sum it up, an Iron Man gate design is not just about safety, it is about making a statement. From simple modern gate to intricate traditional ones, the choices are endless. A well chosen gate enhances your home security, beauty, and value. Always remember to balance style with particularly and invest in a design that suits your lifestyle. So whether you want a minimal modern look, a luxurious royal gates, or a high-touch automatic entrance, Iron Man gate provides strength, elegance, and long-lasting performance. That's for today video on Iron Man gate design. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our